Hello everyone, it's time for another video, and today I will install the quick coupler, hydraulic quick coupler on this brand new SANY SY215. So I'm just working on the wiring. I got the switch in, pull the wires underneath the cab all the way back to the valves. So I got my wire here, so my electromagnetic valve will go here. I got this drilled, I put some threads there, so I will use here at the back. I'm not sure really be able to see. There's an Allen key plug. I will use that as my pressure port. Where is it? It's there. And I have here return lines back to tank. This is hydraulic tank, so I will use T connection probably on this one, or maybe on this one, or maybe the lower one. So after that I need to install the hydraulic hoses all the way to the front. On this boom they will go on the side. Here they will go on top, and they'll finish here. So I'm still waiting on my quick coupler. It's supposed to arrive today afternoon or tomorrow morning, but since I have some time free, I will install the electricity. I will install the wiring. So now I will install the fuse, so everything would be as it's supposed to. So this is my yellow wire that goes under. This is my red and black from the switch. My positive goes to this one. This black one goes to the electromagnetic valve, and I still need to install the buzzer. So when you hit the switch, the buzzer will go off, so you'll know that your quick coupler is ready to disconnect. And this is it. We just have a few hoses to put some clamps on, and the quick coupler is there. It arrived yesterday. It has a safety pin that you need to remove prior to the operating, and I installed the hydraulic valve here. This was the perfect place for me. So these are the lines that go to the quick coupler. These are the pressure and the return line. Need to put the panel here, and let's check how it works. So basically this is it. Here's the pin. I just put it here. So you need to remove that pin before uncoupling the quick coupler. So I installed the buzzer, I installed the switch, and it fits perfectly inside the panel. We flip the switch, buzzer, and the quick coupler is opening. Let me just show you. So now it's opened, so the cylinder buzzer is fully retracted. So just flip the switch. Flip the switch. Buzzer is off, and the coupler is closing. And this is it. Now it's closed. After that, you install the safety pin, and you can continue to work. So it's not a bad quick coupler, but I don't like the pin. It's just, I don't know, I don't need a quick coupler if I'll have to get out of the cab and remove my pin every time. So it's just, I don't know, pain in the ass. Actually not sure, I didn't get any instructions, not sure. Is it safe to use it without a pin? Probably not, because if it is safe, they wouldn't provide the pin with it. So looks good. What you think? Buzzer, switch. I even connected the light on the switch, so looks pretty. Professionally made for SANY. So thanks for watching. Please, if you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Look, subscribe to the channel, and see you on the next one.